thank you very much for joining today. I'm going to go through two real quick, awesome little riffs we can play here. So we've got 46 Days and we've got Brother. So again, I'm just going to go over those main riffs for you there. So we're going to go through two songs here in about 10 minutes. So a lot to pack in. So as always, if you haven't already, please click the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. I really do appreciate it. And let's hop in. All right, so 46 Days, this riff is awesome to play. And we're basically just playing around with a B and an E. So it's one of those songs where you can see how Phish can take something so simple and make it into just a really fun, infectious riff to play. So let's go over that real quick here. Alright, so all we're doing here, got our B chord here, so we're barring that 7th fret. Middle finger is here on the 8th of the G. Pinky finger is on the 9th of the D, and ring is on the 9th of the A. Alright, so starting on that B, we're going to start with our root note here. We're going to go root, A string, strum chord. Awesome. So a little fill here, starting on the A string, 7th fret of the A string, going to the 9th here on the D, 7th of the D, 9th of the A, resolving on the 7th here of the A, which leads right into your E chord. So. One more time. So you hit your E string here, your E chord, sorry. And it's just a quick once, and the second time leads into that little fill there. And all we're doing there, so you hit that E, and we're going to do a hammer on, so we're going to be on the G, hammering on from the 7th to the 8th fret, and then resolving here with the 9th fret of that D. So. And that's it for this. So. Alright, so that's the main riff, and then you'll have this little section here, the Taste of Fear part, right? So all I was playing here. So I've got my index finger here on the 7th of that A. Ring finger is on the 9th of the 9th of the D, and pinky is on the 9th of the G. So you just strum this note a couple times, or the chord a couple times, then you can just do a little, and that's just, so I'm barring that 7th fret, and just doing some hammer on and pull offs here on the 9th. So. That is how you play 46 Days. After that, it basically goes into a very ripping solo almost all the time, which is awesome. All right, so song number 2, we've got Brother. Really cool stuff here, also very simple to play. So I believe we're doing a D7 to an E7 here, or to a C7. So how I'm playing that. And you can play this in a lot of different places. The tabs will show you multiple different places to play it. I like playing it this way. So the index finger here is on the 5th fret of the G. Ring finger is on, index on the 5th of the G. Ring finger is on the 7th of the D, and pinky is on the 7th of the B. Okay. So it's 3 times here. And then we're just moving our ring finger over here to the G, and we're just doing a pull off hammer on here on that 7th fret. Sorry about that. And we still do that twice. And we move that same shape up. So now our index finger is on the 3rd fret of the G. Ring is on the 5th of the D, and pinky is on the 5th of the B. Same exact pattern, just once, and then back here. And that's virtually it for that song. There's a little chromatic walk down that they do, and they continue to come back into these chords, and then they'll just kind of jam on that. It's really a lot of fun to play around with. You can just Right, so we've got Brother and 46 Days, 2 awesome Phish songs we just learned in a very short period of time. These are great just to pick up and play when you just have a little bit of time and you want to play something really cool. So please leave any feedback, comments below. I really do appreciate it, and I'll see you guys again soon.